Hello there children, it's Jude here with Lammy and Flossie. We hope you're enjoying World Book Day. So what we thought we'd do now is we would show you how to make a bookmark. A bookmark, children, is something that you use to keep your place in a book. Here are a couple of examples here. This one's one of mine and this one is Sarah Parkinson who did Nosy Nora. So you can do one like this. You can just cut a strip of paper and decorate it with pictures if you like, but I'm going to show you how to make a different type of bookmark. It's a little bit more hard work, but it's a lovely thing to do. So I'm going to tip my camera down just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, fantastic. So what you will need a piece of paper like this. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need some felt tips as well, okay? Or other things you might want to decorate it with, stickers or with fuzzy felts or with fuzzy eyes or anything that you like. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to make this piece of paper into a square. The easiest way to do that is to take one of the corners like this and fold it all the way up to the top and then just press it down. And then you take your scissors. Now, if you need some help with this, you can ask a grown-up, and you cut along that edge. There we go. Can you see? Cutting along that edge. And then when you open this out, you've got a square. Okay, fantastic. So now what we need to do, now we've got our square, the first thing we need to do now is we fold up the bottom to the top and we press it down really hard like that. Can you see? So we've now got a triangle. It's got 3 points, 3 sides. And then we take this corner here and we push it up to that top point like that and we press down. And then we do the same on the other side. Put that up to the top and we press down. And now we've got a square again. Can you see that, children? We've got a square again. Okay. Now we open that out. So now you can see we've got a square here, a triangle here, and a triangle here. And what we do now is we take in the square here, we get hold of the very top bit of that square and we fold it down on itself. There we go. Can you see that? I'm going to put up a little video so you can see it as well. And then we take this edge here and we fold it in on itself. Now this bit maybe is a little bit tricky. This is where you might need some help from a grown-up who can help you to do the folding. Okay, there we go, we fold one side and then we do the same on the other side. We fold it in on itself. There we go. Okay, can you see? And there we have a little bookmark and I'll show you how it works. What happens is you pop it on the edge of your book like that. It tells you where your place is. But now of course we need to decorate it. So I chose white paper. You could have chosen any colour, but I've chosen white paper because I thought I would cover mine in some black spots to match the book. So I'm going to take some black felt tips and I'm just going to put lots and lots of spots, Dalmatian spots, on my bookmark. But you can do whatever you like on yours. You might decide to make a little face. You might decide you're going to put some stickers on it. You might want to put some glitter on it. It's entirely up to you, but I just chose spots because I have been Cruella de Vil today from 101 Dalmatians. And when it's done, there we go. Now you can take as long as you like to decorate yours, obviously. Once it's done, there you go. You can take it and you put it on your book and it tells you where your place is. How about that, children? Fantastic. So I hope you enjoy having fun making your bookmark. Remember, if you want to, you can just take a normal piece of paper and decorate that, or you can have a go at making one of these corner bookmarks as well. Have lots of fun and we'll see you soon, children.